Hello everyone! Today we'll show you how to merge tickets in Zendesk, plus how to unmerge them if needed. First, find the ticket you want to merge into another one. Usually these are duplicates or requests related to the same issue. Open it, click the three dots in the top right corner, and select Merge into another ticket. Then you can enter the ticket ID or choose from the current user's tickets or recently viewed tickets. Now you'll see the info that the top ticket will be merged into the bottom one. Also, check whether you want the requester and CCs to see the comment about this merge. After reviewing everything, click Confirm and Merge. Once the process is completed, you'll see an internal note saying that this request was closed and merged into another ticket. And if you open the main ticket, you'll see the comments from the merge ticket added as a private comment. That's it. But let's imagine you merged the ticket into the wrong one. Unfortunately, Zendesk doesn't have a direct unmerge button. However, with the GDPR Compliance app, you can easily recreate the original ticket. Go back to the ticket we just merged and open the Apps section on the sidebar. Find the GDPR Compliance app. Make sure you installed it from the marketplace beforehand. And click Process the ticket. Now select the process type Unmerge Ticket and click Next. Here you can configure preferences and then proceed to the last step. Review the details and start the process. Once done, you'll see the recreated ticket in your Zendesk with all comments, attachments, and fields. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials.